I'm gonna try 3 different things to cut these. I'm gonna try a razor blade, cuticle cutters, and nail clippers. Let's try nail clippers. Oh shit, they work pretty good. Alright, let's try these. Try the razor blade. Nah. I think the best thing is the nail clippers, because the cuticle cutters, you go like a little too deep. You don't want to go too deep. Yeah, that works good. And these are some big nail clippers. And you push into it there. Just try to flush it. That's really nice. These nail clippers that I'm using, they got like a straight edge, or straight, it doesn't curve. You see that? I think they're for, so you don't get like ingrown nail or something like that. And they got straight edge. This is it, I'm done. Took me about 7 hours. This is at night, turned up all the way, full brightness. Honestly, I think it's too bright for at night. It lights up this whole cabin. Pick a different color. That looks pretty cool. But I think I like the white the best. Music test, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. In the FRS bass halfway, I turn it up to like 32 and it responds perfectly to the music. About 32, that's where it starts and up, and it responds better than I expected, honestly. Check it out. I'm happy with this. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As you may know, I'm the one that sells this kit on the website. The Starlight FRS is the one that I put in here. You're gonna get the, you know, the electric wire. You're gonna get the foam strips. I'm gonna throw in some like a Velcro square so you can put your remote somewhere in the car. I'll throw in a drill bit. I'm gonna be able to do custom orders. You know, how many fiber optics you want, up to 500. How long you want it, up to 20 feet if you need it. Just to let you guys know, as of today, February 15th, 2019. In the next 2.5 weeks, it's going to be on back order. Once I get my main shipment, I live in Sacramento, California, orders are going to be going out the next day. And since it is on back order, it's going to be a sale price. If you are thinking of putting this in something other than a FRS, put this into consideration. That light source is 1.5 inches thick in profile, and if I made it fit behind a headliner of a FRS, I guarantee you can put it in most any other car. I mess around a lot with different cars. I just haven't been making videos. I'm gonna start making videos. Again, please help me. Subscribe. Just help me out. I want to crush my brother-in-law. Thanks.